the Avitan Diagnostic tool. It's a way for a business owner to figure out what areas of his company he should be focused on. These guys know, they've got a sensing when something isn't right, when they could be doing better. They don't know what it is.
What we created with the diagnostic tool is the ability for a contractor to go online and literally take the temperature of his company, find out where the strengths and weaknesses are.
At Avitan, we see 5 zones in a company that if they're all working functionally, you have a profitable, exciting enterprise that gives the owner freedom and independence.
The 5 pillars are literally cornerstones, what we call the foundation to our contract, well, any business, but our strength is contracting. And contractors do require all these 5 pillars to be solid to be able to build on it, so they have a strong foundation and a solid building or a solid company.
The point is, when we get all of these zones working functionally, effectively, the business takes off, problems fall away, and the owner's really, really happy. And so are his people.
So by providing this diagnostic tool, we give them the opportunity to take a look at where they're at, assess where they're at, assess where they could be, where they could go, and provide them a tool for how they could get there.